love just a game? Come
Hi there, it's Mernouche. Welcome to the space where fashion is timeless. Style doesn't stop at 40s. In fact, even getting better. So grab your coffee, own your confidence. Let's create stunning outfit that trending 2025. If this look made you smile and sparkle some idea for your next outfit, please click on subscribe and come hang out again soon. Let's dive in. Wide leg jeans are officially the cool girl alternative to skinny this year, offering comfortable and style with their effortless breezy silhouette. If you are petite, go for high-waisted jeans that are a bit cropped. This helps make your leg look longer without make you look shorter. If you are tall, go for full-length wide-leg jeans to make a bold statement. To balance the wide shape, wear something more fitted on top, like a bodysuit or net blouse. Oversized suits are taking over workwear in 2025, and they are all about comfort and confidence. With loose blazer and wide leg pants, they give you a bold, modern look without feeling stiff or too formal. You can wear them to the office, out to dinner, or even with a sneaker for a cool casual twist. They fit all body type and let you move freely while still looking sharp. Media skirt in 2025 are all about mixing style with practicality. They now come with useful features like big pocket, clean cut, and structured shape, great for everyday wear. You can dress them up or down, making them a super versatile piece for your closet. Pair one up with simple tank top for a relaxed look or dress it up with a nice blouse for something more polished. It's an easy modern outfit that's both stylish and comfortable with just a bit of edge. In 2025, the trench coat is the go-to for stylish outwear that's easy to wear. This long relaxed coat looks fancy, but still feel comfortable and casual enough for everyday life. What's great about them is how they instantly make any outfit looks better. Whether you are wearing jeans and a t-shirt or a simple dress, they are super easy to style, practical, and always fashionable. Boho fashion is making a major comeback in 2025, bringing back those effortless, free-spirited vibe. We are seeing flowy fabric, earthy tones, layered texture, and relaxed silhouettes. But gone are the overly busy printed. Instead, all about modern minimal boho. The new boho is chic and wearable, and easy to style with denim and boots. Summer 2025 is all about ease, edge, and effortless style. Let me know which style is your favorite. Please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Love you all.